Little Gotti got the shotty to your body, so don't resist or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs tripping. When I throw my clip in the AK, I slave from far away. Everybody hit the D-E-C-K. Slow flow, remarkable. Peace to Mateo. Now we smoke weed like Tony Montana, slipping yayo. Crazy blunts, mad L's. My voice sells from the avenue to jail cells. Oh my God, I'm dropping shit like a pigeon. I hope you're listening. Smacking babies at their christening. So you better grab your pistol, cause if you sit still, I'm gonna make your fucking shit spill. And I'm talking about buckets. What did I have to do it? So now said fuck it. You got a gun, nigga, bust it. Cause I got more shots to pop ya. Big Papa, breaking you off something proper. Sound Off is the hardcore rap singer, aka crack singer. Bring it in time. Come on, motherfuckers, come on. 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 Come on, motherfuckers, come on.
Gotta have you near all the time, with your dreams wrapped in mine. Gotta be a part of your soul and of your heart all the time. Nothing in the world that I do means a thing without you. I'm just half alive in my struggle to survive without you.
Well, why not blow up the spot with Sinatra? Release the brainstorm to make your motherfucking brain warm. A strange form, something kinda lyrical. Biggie the bastard, Sinatra kinda spiritual. Well, in God we trust, guns I bust. Got that disgusting suicide thumping. And do you know where you're going to? Do you like the things that I bring? Make an MC wanna sing for a living. Check the beat down, we fucking give it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.